So in Simply Lettering issue 2, we've got a fantastic, very festive chalkboard that you could be working on. But if maybe you're a little bit nervous about going straight onto a chalkboard, we've supplied you with these fantastic practice sheets to get started with first of all. Now one of them is a chalkboard background, and we've actually got a grid pattern on it. It's very, very faint, but you can have a practice at writing within the grid. We also have a fantastic project in issue 2 from Sue Smith working with grids, so have a look at that for a bit of inspiration if you've never used grids before. Now you're able to use these with our pens that you get exclusively with issue 2 of Simply Lettering. We have a chalkboard pen first, and that's got a bullet nib, and then we have the white gel pen as well. And you can use both of these on the paper. This pen is absolutely fantastic for going directly onto a chalkboard as well. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and here's one I've started doing already. As you can see, using the chalkboard pen, once you start writing over it, the white really does show up beautifully. Now my suggestion is to use the chalk pen here, the wider bullet nib, for the larger areas, and then use your gel pen for the smaller areas. With any chalk pen, you'll find that you'll need to do a couple of layers of the ink or the paint for it to really show up, because as it dries you can get a little bit of translucency with it, and we want it nice and opaque. So just following over the lines, you can see I'm not doing what we call true brush lettering, because I'm doing the faux version, so that's adding in the thicker parts of the letter afterwards. But you can see already how we're getting amazing coverage by using our chalkboard pen here. For things like the berries there and some of the flourishes, I'll be using my white gel pen because they're much finer and we have a finer tip with this. So have some fun with this, maybe even frame it, and nobody will know it's not a real chalkboard anyway.